my channel. My name is Tanya, and firstly, I hope you had a very happy and safe Diwali. Now that the festive season is almost over, it's time to move to some non-festive content. जिसके लिए I'm doing a review video today. It's a haul video, and we are doing a huge Bonkers Corner haul. Now, if you don't know what Bonkers Corner is, it's basically an online Instagram store. They started with Instagram, अब तो उनकी website वगैरह भी है, and I love their clothes. So I thought, why not to do a haul? It's a huge haul because मेरे पास उनसे बहुत सारा सामान है. So stay tuned in the video, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so सबसे पहले मैं आपको इनका प्राइस रेंज बता देती हूँ. I think most of the items are usually around 500 to 600 की रेंज में. They mostly deal with basics and oversized clothes. I love their oversized t-shirts. अगर आपने इनका पेज नहीं देखा है, it's high time to check it out because their oversized clothes are, it's very affordable. And even their joggers and all, it's usually around 900,000, which I feel is very affordable compared to the quality they provide. So yes, without wasting more time, let's get into the video. Now, because I was talking about oversized clothes, let's start with the first oversized fit only, and it's among my personal favorites actually from this haul. It's a huge oversized t-shirt, and it has Billie Eilish made on it. It's in a beautiful sage green color, and this color was in trend last month, I think. Last season तो नहीं बोल सकती because the season is still on. So ये color काफ़ी trend में था few months back, and I love this color. Green is my personal favorite color, so मेरे लिए ये लेना तो मतलब mandatory था कि I have to buy this. And I love this t-shirt. It's so comfortable and cozy. The material is really nice. It has round neck, and yeah, this is how it looks when I wear it. And I love the oversized fit. It's so comfortable and nice and soft. The material is really nice. I'll link all the items in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And price range also, because मैं एक एक का बताने नहीं बैठूंगी, so you can just check out the price range over here. So yeah, this was the first item, quite comfortable, and if you're a girl who love baggy fits, this site is for you. Just pair it out with a shorts or a jeans or a jogger, and you can go out anywhere, to a cafe or to a date also if you're going out with girls, and regular shopping, just घर में chill करना है. This is your fit. Now, since first was the t-shirt that I showed you, what to pair with it? So next we have is a pair of shorts from them, and I love this one. It has their logo over here, bonkers, okay, something else written on some numbers, but yes, it has their logo over here, and this is the shorts. I love it. It's not very short, so you can see as I have placed the video over here, it's not very short. It's like thoda sa knee ke upar, which I feel is perfect because there are times when I have shorts which are so short that I don't feel comfortable enough to wear them outside in a specific place if I'm going there. And these are something that I can wear anywhere because it's quite comfortable, और इसमें इतना ज़्यादा भी skin show नहीं होता है. Plus the material, it's a little thick, so I think maybe बहुत गर्म जब है एकदम ऐसा, you know, if you're from north you will relate, एकदम लू वाली गर्मी, or if you're from Mumbai or anywhere else where I am there, बहुत humid है, maybe it's not that comfortable in very hot weathers. But otherwise, it's a great investment because the length is perfect, the material is great, and super comfy and cozy. I'm in size small for everything that I'm gonna show you. This is also waist, मतलब मेरी waist 28 and this is small, so you relate to it. And the t-shirt also that I showed you was small. So yeah, this was the second item, and yeah, the next item that we have, 90s kids, you're gonna relate because it's the Flintstones oversized t-shirt. Oh my god. I used to love Flintstones as a child, and I think अगर आपने ये show देखा होगा, you would just love this. I love this, I love this, I love this. I think मैं हर clothing के लिए यही बोलने वाली हूँ because the clothes are so good. Okay, but this is how it looks when I wear it, and it's so comfy and cozy. मैं literally अगर आप मुझे कहीं पे मिल गए ना कभी, मैं आपको ऐसे ही कपड़ों में मिलूँगी. Just a baggy oversized t-shirt dress, and the material is everything. It's cotton. I'm in size small again, and the print वो वैसा, so you know, in oversized t-shirts and everything there are two kind of prints. One is that rubber print and one is जो ऊपर से होता है. So this is not the rubber print, ये ऐसा ऊपर से होने वाला है, but you won't feel it that much, और back side पे भी ऐसा कुछ feel नहीं होता है. So yes, it's a great investment and it's very comfy. So अगर आप normal travel वगैरह कर रहे हो, you know where to go for it. Moving to the next item, which I feel is a very versatile piece, and you should definitely have something like that in your wardrobe. It's a halter neck top. I have this one in white over here, and yeah, it's in ribbed material. मैंने ऐसा सेम H&M में भी देखा था, but I think बॉन्कर्स पे ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है यही चीज़. H&M में 700-800 की है, बॉन्कर्स पे यही चीज़ आपको 400-500 में मिलती है. सो व्हाई नॉट गो फॉर इट. द मटेरियल इज़ गुड. अगेन इट्स नॉट दैट ट्रांजी की कुछ अगर मैंने अंदर पहना है तो दिखे. इट्स क्वाइट नाइस. यू कैन सी इट्स नॉट दैट ट्रांजी. एंड या, दिस इज़ हाउ आई वेयर इट. This is how it looks when I wear it. And I wore it with a sari also during Diwali, and I feel that it looks so good. I think ऐसे items जो होते हैं ना, you can pair it out in so many ways, and it's so versatile that you should definitely have something like this in your wardrobe. मतलब अगर आपको layer करना है, you can wear it. अगर आपको normal ऊपर से jacket वगैरह डालना है, you can wear it. there's blouse की तरह पहनना है, just wear it. So a halter neck or a rim top, it goes with so many things. मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ कि create a wardrobe that's so versatile. You don't have to buy so many items. So this is one item that will help you create an essential wardrobe. So yes. अब क्योंकि मैंने इतनी तारीफ ऑलरेडी कर ही दी है halter neck कपड़ों की, मैंने सेम टॉप एक अलग कलर में भी लिया है. Being the person that I am, and I feel कोई तो मुझे रोक लो, बट मैं रुकूंगी नहीं. So yes, मैंने अपने पैसे को और इसमें वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, एक्चुअली इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. So I got this in a very pretty mustard yellow color, and I love this one. मतलब ये कलर ना बहुत ही ऐसा सनशाइन फील देता है मुझे. मैं निकलती हूँ फिर मैं ऐसे सनशाइन जैसा फील करती हूँ. So yes, I love this. I haven't worn it yet, so you're gonna see me first time wearing it for the video. Yes. But yes, I got white one, I got a yellow one. मुझे इसमें एक और लेना है, the black one, because they're so versatile. Again, paired with so many things, and you're gonna rock it. The next item, which I feel is perfect for girls going out to a college, or if you're just going out for tuitions या normal friends के साथ या hang out करना है, it's this polo neck t-shirt. Now मैंने tag भी नहीं हटाया because I did not wear it yet. I'm waiting for a good occasion to wear it because मेरे पास कहीं बाहर जाने के लिए नहीं है. So yeah, this, I love this chocolate brown color. The color is very unique. मुझे लगता है पोलो में ज़्यादातर आपको pink and yellow and white मिलते हैं, but this color is very unique. So I majorly bought it for the color. And if you wear it with like a nude pants or a white pant, it's gonna look great because color बहुत उठ के आएगा with a lighter shade of pants. So yeah, I'm in size small again, and this is how it looks when I wear it. I love the fitting. It hugs my body एकदम properly, and yeah, it's quite comfortable. Plus काफ़ी stretchy material, you can see. Okay, you get it. So it's quite stretchy also and super comfortable, cotton again. So invest in something like this. The next item that I have, it's a very summer appropriate item, and I bought it recently. जो मुझे realize हुआ कि फिलहाल coming months के लिए maybe use उतना ना हो, but for summers, oh my god, I'm gonna live in this. It's a tank top, a long sleeve tank top. आप sleeves देख सकते हो ऐसा है. Now you would be wondering कि इसके अंदर क्या पहना होगा. Just pair a white black spaghetti or a black tube top and you're good to go. I paired it with like a black tube and it looks fine. So it has The Weeknd printed over it, and I love The Weeknd के songs, so I thought why not. And this is how it looks. I feel it looks great, plus so comfy. मतलब यहाँ से भी हवा आ रही है. It's so ऐसा खुला outfit. So I really like this one, and I think it was so affordable. मैंने sale पे लिया था, and I got it for like 200 rupees. So oh, by the way, they had a Diwali sale. You missed it because ये video थोड़ा late आ रहा है, but their Diwali sale was bomb. So keep looking out for the sales. You're gonna find some amazing steals over there. Next item that I have, I'm wearing it right now. It's a basic blue tank top, and I got it for like 129 rupees on sale, and I feel it's such a steal because मैं इसे normal regular way में भी पहनती हूँ. I'm even wearing it for a video. I just layered with accessories, and oh my god, I think it looks great. आप देख ही सकते हो. So yeah, I really like this one. मैं अच्छे से भी दिखा देती हूँ जिससे आपको पता लग जाए कि हाँ, ये जब खड़ी है तब ये अच्छा ही लग रहा है. Coming to the last item of the haul, which I think is essential for a lot of girls, especially for the coming season. You can just live in this. It's their joggers. Yay! Okay, I love their joggers because firstly, बहुत comfortable है. And it has again the same जैसा shorts में था वैसा यहाँ पे bonkers printed है. And yeah, joggers are very comfortable. I'm in size small and काफ़ी stretchy है. So yeah, आप देख ही सकते हो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Even with the tank top, it looks so nice. और casual सा look हो जाता है. And plus joggers are so essential in a wardrobe. किसी भी चीज़ के साथ पहन सकते हो. मतलब plus जब से COVID हुआ है, I think we all literally live in a joggers and PJs. Why not invest in something like this? Okay guys, ending the haul, मैं अच्छी और बुरी pros and cons about this site दोनों बताना चाहूँगी. The pros is the quality. Oh my god, I love the quality. And secondly, the price. It's super affordable. Like everything, I don't think इनके website पे कुछ भी 1200-1300 से ऊपर है, which is very affordable. And items started around 250-300 अगर sale पे नहीं है तो. So it's quite affordable. And the only con that I feel is they don't have a return. They have a exchange. बट आपको अपने आइटम्स खुद से भेजने पड़ेंगे. दे डोंट हैव समथिंग लाइक दे विल कम एंड पिक इट अप. नो, यू हैव टू सेंड इट योरसेल्फ एंड देन दे विल सी एंड देन दे माइट रिटर्न, सेंड योर डिफरेंट साइज और कलर, वट एवर द इशू माइट बी. सो मुझे बस ये थोड़ा कॉन लगता है. बट ऑनेस्टली सेइंग, मैंने इनसे 9 आइटम्स मंगाए हैं और मुझे एक भी आइटम में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. सो आई नेवर रिटर्न इट. सो बट इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज अनश्योर अबाउट थिंग्स, you might feel this is the only con. Otherwise, it's a great website to shop from. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye, take care.